Welcome back to Outdoor Skills Made Easy. Spending time in the outdoors has shown many benefits of mental wellness, and so today we're going to share some of the benefits of being in the outdoors. Let's go. And the first point that we want to share with you is reduced stress and anxiety. Being in nature can help reduce levels of stress hormone cortisol and promote feelings of calm and relaxation. Studies have shown that spending time in natural settings can also reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. Point number 2 is improved mood. When you get out and you get some natural light and some fresh air, it'll increase your feelings of happiness. Number 3 is enhanced cognitive function. It's proven that time in the outdoors helps increase your memory, your attention to detail, and your creativity. Nice. Number 4 is physical activity. So it doesn't matter if it's hiking, camping, or playing disc golf, physical activity will help you with fitness and your mental well-being. Number 5 is connection with others. Whether you're outdoors, doing disc golf, or hiking, with friends or family, social connection is an important part of mental well-being. Crap! Missed it by that much. Overall, spending time in the outdoors is really important for our mental well-being. So though we hope that you spend time getting outside and spending time with others, we're truly grateful for the time that you spend watching our videos. We're grateful for that. And we hope that you'll join us again at OSMEtv. Nice shot.